Looking for an easy way to keep your pool or spa water crystal clear and safe? The Clearwater test strips make monitoring your water quality simple and hassle-free. Each pack includes 50 test strips that measure chlorine, pH, and alkalinity levels. Just dip the strip into your water, hold it for 15 seconds, and compare the color change to the easy-to-read chart. Trusted by top brands and approved by the British Immersion Spa and Hot Tub Association, these test strips are your perfect water care partner. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy way to keep your hot tub crystal clear and safe? The EASYTEST Hot Tub Test Kit offers 150 affordable test strips designed for quick, accurate water testing. Just dip the strip for 1 second, wait 15 seconds, and compare to the color chart. No fuss, no hassle. It checks 3 crucial water qualities: alkalinity, free chlorine, and pH. All in one simple test. Keep your hot tub inviting and clean effortlessly. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to keep your hot tub or above ground pool sparkling clean and perfectly balanced? Discover Clearwater pH Plus, the easy-to-use solution that raises your water's pH level for a more comfortable, hygienic swimming experience. It helps chlorine work more effectively and keeps harmful bacteria at bay, all while being gentle on your skin. Clear instructions make it simple to apply, and trusted brands recommend it for safe, high-quality water treatment. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to keep your hot tub water crystal clear and hygienic? Check out the official Lazy Spa filters. This pack of 2 high-quality filter cartridges safely trap dirt and grime while boosting pump performance. They're easy to clean and reuse, helping to protect your pump and heater from damage and extend their lifespan. Using genuine filters ensures your warranty stays valid. Enjoy cleaner, safer hot tub experiences with Lazy Spa filters. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Are you tired of cloudy, dull-looking water in your swimming pool or hot tub? The Clearwater Water Clarifier is here to help. This fast-acting solution binds tiny particles together, making your filter work more efficiently and leaving your water crystal clear and hygienic. It's easy to use. Just pour the recommended dose while your pump is running. Trusted and recommended by leading brands like Bistway and Lazy Spa. Clearwater Water Clarifier ensures safe, high-quality water every time. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to enjoy your hot tub with sparkling, hygienic water? The Clearwater Hot Tub Kit is your perfect starter bundle, including everything you need to disinfect and balance your hot tub water. With fast-acting chlorine granules, pH adjusters, test strips, and a handy dosing guide, maintaining safe and clear water has never been easier. Trusted by top brands and BISHTA approved, this kit makes water care simple and reliable. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a simple way to keep your pool or spa water perfectly balanced? Meet Clearwater test strips. These 25 easy-to-use dip test strips quickly measure chlorine, pH, and alkalinity levels, helping you maintain safe and clean water. Just dip, hold for 15 seconds, and check the vibrant color chart for instant results. Trusted by top brands and approved by BISHTA, Clearwater test strips make water care straightforward and reliable. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.